Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stasia here. In today's video, we have another sponsored hair review. Yes, so today's video is going to be sponsored by a company named You Amazing Hair. Now they did reach out to your girl like a couple weeks ago, and they wanted me to review their new, it's like the little headband half wig things that they have going on now. I'm not sure if you have seen them. If not, yeah, it's just a half wig and it has like the headband already attached to it. So all you're going to do is just swoop them baby hairs or edges back, whatever you got going on, swoop it back, put on a wig, and boom, you are good to go. Literally easy peasy. You don't have to do anything to it. So of course, when they contacted me, I did my little research and everything. Seems like a pretty good company, but y'all already know I'm gonna keep it 1,000 with y'all, okay? So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into the packaging. So the wig just came in this bag right here. It is deep curly. Well, that's the texture is deep curly. I don't know if this is a density or anything like that, but I do know that it is 18 inches long. Now, they did send me a weaving net. Like, this is like one of the weaving caps. Like, these, I literally only use these for my sew-ins and stuff like that. But, yeah, still thankful. And they also sent me a pack of headbands. This has 3 different headbands in it. I haven't opened anything yet because I wanted to, kind of do like an unboxing with you guys. So I'm gonna show y'all some of the headbands real quick. Like I said, they did send 3. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, it's like one of the ones that crisscross or whatever. This is really cute. I like this a lot. Smells good too, I'm always smelling something, y'all. But yeah, this is cute. That's one of them. They also sent like a leopard print one also. Yeah, so this is that one right here. Leopard print, cheetah print, whatever. Really cute. I like this too. And then the last one is another floral print one. I like this one a lot because I just like the colors in it. The pink, blue, yellow. I think that's like a gray. It's almost, well, this one is a floral color too, but it has like, the reds and pinks and stuff like that. So anyway, yeah, these are the 3 headbands, which are super cute. I love the fact that they're really big, like, and they're good quality too. So now, on to the wig. It came with a net around it, obviously. And this is in the color 1B. I guess it's like that 1B/27 or something like that. But, all right. So, yeah, it did come with like the paper on the inside. And this is the unit right here. As y'all can see, like I said, it already comes with one of those headbands. And this right here actually has like that Velcro strap. So this will be good if you have like a smaller size head, because now I'm not sure if the wig cap itself comes in different sizes. That I'm not sure of. They just asked me, don't get me to lying, I can't remember what they asked me. So anyway, yeah, this is the unit right here. Now y'all, I am not too fond of this color at all, especially because it is supposed to be like a half wig. So even though I know the roots are black, it's dark, I just don't know how I'm gonna be feeling this color too much. Now I did request 1B, like the natural black, but somehow or another they still sent me this one, which is cool. I'm not complaining. It is what it is, because I do like color. And then if I'm not feeling this color, it's nothing for me to just dye it. So yeah, anyway, the inside construction, you have a comb right here at the top, as well as 2 on the sides of your head, and then you also have 1 in the back. And like I said, you have this little strap right here. Okay, so before I go ahead and put this unit on, I do want to show you guys that I did already try to smooth my edges down with some edge control. Yeah, y'all, I got a big ass forehead, so I don't know how this half wig thing is gonna work. I haven't worn my forehead out in like so long. It's crazy. Like my shit is dumb big, but whatever. We're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this. Trying to put this unit on, y'all. I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, and none of these headbands really match with what I have on today, but let me see. We about to just throw on this leopard print one and see what we working with. I feel like Shanae or something, like something from a ghetto ass y'all, I feel like a ghetto as, I don't know, but I just feel so ghetto. But anyway, yeah, so I'm about to take my comb, because of course I'm not going to leave it like this, but I'm about to take my comb and just kind of pull this out, make it look, ooh, I don't want it too big, but I don't like this curl pattern, y'all. All right, y'all. So that is literally it. As y'all could see, this hairstyle was 2.5 seconds. Okay, it did not take much effort, if any at all. All right, it's nothing to just slap on a half wig, put your little headband on, and you are good to go. I love how this turned out, y'all. Like, I really, y'all saw what it looked like in the pack. Okay, my friend, he was like, because when I first got it in the mail, my friend was here with me, and he was like, that looked like a damn grandma drawstring ponytail. I'm like, so it just made me feel like, you know, I'm like, I don't know how this gonna turn out, but I really do love how it looks. And the fact that I love it like this, you know, with the color, I know for a fact I'll love this even more if it was black. So yeah, as y'all can see, that ponytail was something real quick and simple. It did not take much at all. You can even put this like in a little messy bun. Okay, so this is how it will look in a little messy bun. I don't have any hairpins in, so it's not like, you know, the best looking right now. But anyway, yeah, this right here is a whole vibe also. This is definitely a good summertime hairstyle. Like, definitely in some hot weather when you don't want to have to wear the laces and all of that extra inches. This will be really nice in the summertime. Okay, so I did get a little bit too, you know, brush happy, and I brushed out too much of the curls, I guess. But now I didn't even think to do this. We're about to see if this hair will if this hair gonna curl back up. Okay, just spraying a little bit of water. Okay, so as y'all can see, we are getting a little bit of tangling, but it's not bad. Like I said, the texture definitely plays a huge role. Texture definitely plays a huge role in if your hair is going to, oh shit, okay. Okay. All right, sis. All right. Sis said, who ain't going, ooh, I like this better. Sis said, who not going to curl back up? Who ain't going to curl back up? All right, so now we are working with something, okay? It looks a hell of a lot better to me, in my opinion. You know, the original way was not bad, but I can't get with the uniform look. I love this wet look sometimes, so I prefer this over what, you know, I received. Because like I said, I did not wash this unit prior to doing this review. I wanted you guys to see exactly what it looks like, the unboxing portion, and then jump straight into the video. Now, let's go ahead and just get into the details, right? So a few things that I am picking up on. One, the smell. Now, it does not stink at all, but it has a strong chemical smell to it. And obviously that's because it was bleached, but I'm sure with a quick shampoo and condition, you don't have to worry about the smell, because it's not like it's extremely strong, but I just know processed hair when I smell it, and this hair was definitely processed prior to it being sent to me. But yeah, as far as texture, the hair is really soft. Like, this is some soft hair, y'all. This feels really good, like real soft, y'all. Like, I'm not even BSing y'all. This feels good. But yeah, as far as that, as y'all can see, it wasn't much tangling. I did get a little bit of tangling as I was brushing through it and everything, but I can honestly say because this is curly hair, is like, sis, what do you expect? But for the most part, I do know that a lot of curly hair tangles. Now, I'm not talking about no excessive matting tangling. No, not at all. I'm talking about a few kinks and stuff here and there, especially when you have a texture that's as tight as this was originally. When you start to brushing and stuff like that, you may just experience tangling. Like, honestly, to me, it's nothing to complain about. It is what it is. So as long as it's not matting up on me, I'm fine with a little bit of tangling here and there if it's curly hair. Now, moving on to shedding. I did experience just a little bit of shedding. As you guys can see, this little ball I got right here is really thin as heck. It's, you know, much of nothing. But I still wanted to show y'all it just because, you know, just to let y'all know, it did shed just a little bit. But again, I think that was because, it's because it is curly hair. I wet it and was brushing through it kind of rough. But I can honestly say this is not a lot compared to some hair I didn't see from other companies I received, okay? And this is 18 inches, so y'all can see it does have like a bit of a length on it, but I prefer mine, you know, kind of in the middle of my back or whatever. I think I would like that a lot better, and especially in the color black. So this is something you can definitely wear to give them edges a rest. It's like, I get it, we all love our lace fronts, lace wigs and all of that, but those can be very harsh on your edges and your baby hairs if you do not remove them properly. And then not even just removing them, girl, all that friction from the rubbing, from the sleeping in them to the this, that, and the third, they need some air, okay? Edges need some air, okay? Need some air. So these little half wigs are not a bad idea, especially when you throw on a cute little headband. So yeah, I think that is it. I'm not sure too much on like as far as the pricing for the unit or like shipping costs and anything like that. I don't know the specific details. Again, this unit was sent to me, so I do apologize about that. But keep in mind, I always put the information down for everything I'm reviewing on my channel. I don't care if it's makeup, hair, clothes, whatever. All of it is going to be listed down below in the description box for you guys anyway. Now, they do have a coupon code. I will definitely be sure to link that down below as well. So yeah, that wraps up this video, sis. I really hope that you enjoyed it. So yeah, do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. I love you, baby girl, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all. And please don't mind my nails. I know these shits look crazy. Bye.